In this video, we will see how we can grant or deny the permission to connect to the database engine for a particular user. All we have to go to the security, then logins, then select the user who you want to deny or grant the permission. Go to the status and suppose that I want to deny the permission to connect to the database engine. Now when we are trying to connect, so we are getting the error like login failed for username. Now how we can again grant the permission? We have to go to the properties, then status, then grant. So once we are granting the permission, it is able to connect to the database engine. So thanks for watching.